case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2007 legal showdown in Maryland, an educational institution, the Barrie School, took a family to court over an alleged breach of contract. The drama unfurled when the Patch family decided to withdraw their child's enrollment from the Barrie School after a mutually agreed deadline. This was in direct divergence with a signed re-enrollment agreement, stating that any withdrawal post-deadline would require the full payment of the year's tuition fee as liquidated damages. Undeterred by the apparently clear terms of the agreement, the Patch family refused to pay up, leading the Barrie School to sue for the outstanding balance. The primary question before the court was whether this liquidated damages clause was valid and a justifiable part of the contract, or if it constituted a penalty. After careful evaluation, the court endorsed the legality of the clause, deeming it not punitive but a reasonable estimation of damages at the time the contract was formed. However, the court's scrutiny didn't end there. Despite the liquidated damages clause's validity, the court considered if the Barrie School had fulfilled its duty to mitigate damages. The court concluded that the school, rather than resting on the agreement, should have made reasonable efforts to find a replacement student to offset the loss from the breach. While the lower court had sided with the Barrie School, the Court of Appeals of Maryland overturned this verdict. Despite the Patch family's defense of no actual harm caused, the court underscored their breach of contract. Nevertheless, it emphasized that the Barrie School was not entirely without fault. All of this culminated in a comprehensive decision by the appellate court, upholding the legality of the liquidated damages clause, acknowledging the contracted breach, while spotlighting the school's duty for damage mitigation. The court reversed the lower court's judgment. The case was sent back to the district court with instructions to confirm with these findings, a vivid reminder of the powerful force that contract law exerts in resolving such disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.